Today we're going to go over django-taggit, which is a great application to use for adding tagging to your models. It's super simple and easy to get started with. First thing we need to do is install it. So we'll do a pip install. And the next thing we need to do is add it to our settings file. And finally we need to do a syncdb. And we're ready to start using it. The simplicity of using django-taggit is one of its great assets. To get started adding tags to your model, you need to just instantiate a tags manager and you're good to go. First we need to import taggable manager, and then down in our model we simply instantiate it and assign it to tags, and we're good to go and we're ready to start using it in the rest of our app. From here, it's just managing how we add tags and how we use tags, but this is all the code that we need to do to wire up tagging. We're actually ready to start using tags right now. We can easily see this if we go into the admin section of our site and go to a specific product. We can start to easily add tags at the bottom here as a comma separated list. And after we've actually done this to a couple of different products, we can go look in our tags section, and now we can actually see that we have several tags ready to go and ready to be used. Now comes the fun part. We need to filter what we see in our browser based on the tags. To accomplish this, we're going to add a new URL. We're going to send it off to a new view that will only get all of our products based on the tag and based on the tags slug. If you look at the URL that we just added, it uses a tag index view. This will be a class-based view. And when the URL is /product/tag/ whatever the slug is, it'll process that and only return those products that have that particular tag. Now let's add our view. We know it's going to be tag index view, but it is also going to inherit from a generic view called the list view. Actually, if you look at the product index view above, you'll probably see it is simple, and because of the simplicity and the genericness of how we wrote it, we're actually going to copy part of it and just make a couple of minor tweaks. As you can see, it's fairly similar, and the only thing that we didn't copy was the query set. For that, we're going to define a getQuerySet method, and this is overriding from our list view that we inherited from. And we're going to do our own query on the product model, which returns all products where the tags slug is based on the slug that we passed in with our URL. And that's it for our view. So we can demo this by going to the URLs of a couple of tags and taking a look at what they return. In the last demo, you may have noticed camo was on the side of our products. That is a hard-coded placeholder at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn that into something that displays all of our categories so we can more easily browse our products based on the tags that we've used. This is a simple proposition. In our views, we're going to create a tag mixin that does a standard get context data and pre-populates a tags key in our context. Then we're going to add tag mixin to our product index view and our tag index view, both of which use the product/index template and can accept and use a tags context variable. As such, we need to go ahead and edit our template, and it's going to be a fairly standard edit. As you can see, we're doing a for loop, and if we have tags, it's going to go ahead and automatically generate us a URL that we can use in our template. If we'll take a look at our products page now, over in the categories section, we have a list of all of our tags that we have currently using. And if we'll just click around through them, we'll see that our page is filtering based on the tag that we've selected. And if you also just go ahead and look at the URL, every time we click on something, it changes accordingly as well.